Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
I like my mornings quiet in bed, alone with my coffee and the thoughts in my head. I don't even mind taking a walk by myself, going out for a long drive with nobody else. So you can't blame me for being tired with my time when you just arrived in my world. You can't come over and kill the vibe, take what's mine, just show up and make me a girl. But damn, you're so sweet, 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 like summer iced tea, the sugar I need. You're like a huckleberry pie with the cherry on the side, and I want another taste of it, please, 'cause you're so sweet, so sweet. Maybe you could come by in the afternoon. It would be a delight to sit and laugh with you, but you should go before sundown, 'cause I got places to be. Unless maybe you would be down to come along with me. Just don't blame me if I get tired with my time when you just arrived in my world. 'Cause if you stay and feel the vibe, give what's mine, I might let you make me a girl. 'Cause damn, you're so sweet, 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 like summer iced tea, the sugar I need. You're like a huckleberry pie with the cherry on the side, and I want another taste of it, please, 'cause you're so sweet, so sweet, so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Damn, you're so sweet, 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 like summer iced tea, the sugar I need. You're like a huckleberry pie with the cherry on the side, and I want another taste of it, please, 'cause you're so sweet, so sweet. I know I'm good, but I'm getting better. Like wine, this could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be up in my face, don't be all in my space. Ooh. You know they say that everything ain't what it looked like. Now I see it clearer. I used to wonder what it looked like under the lights, and now I see the picture. You really gotta take your time for that. Don't rush into it, baby.